Baden Powell, the founder of Scouting, ceremony is one of the most important ceremonies in Scouting, for it marks the formal acceptance of a boy into the Scouting movement. So the ceremony gives him the thrill of belonging to a group of boys and acceptance as a member of the worldwide Scout movement, ready to face new challenges and responsibilities. So the investiture ceremony is a big and momentous event in a Scout life. This ceremony, it will be formally invested into the World Brotherhood of Scouting as a member of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines and the World Scout Organization movement. So, now, as a troop leader, you should make the investiture ceremony solemn and meaningful to your Scout, and you should be the one to administer the Scout oath and law. Okay? Now, for the investiture ceremony, here are the paraphernalias. You have the ceremonial table. You have the candles, 12 candles representing the 12 points of the Scout law. 3 red candles representing the 3 points of the Scout oath. 1 big candle na tumba, representing the light of the Scouting movement. And there should be a Philippine flag and the Scout badge or the picture of the founder of the Scouting movement. That's the paraphernalia. Muna i-set mo sa ceremonial table or stage. Okay? Now, the arrangement could be, the audience should be here and there and provide center aisle. No? Naayagyan kay ang mga scouts, ang awardees, humart sa mana, kuyog sa flag, entry of awardees and colors, and parents. I assume na nato na nag-march sa namo dito. Okay. Now, the troop leader, wala siya sa stage, moingon siya, prepare for service. Mutubag gayon ang mga candidates. We are prepared. Prepare for service. We are prepared. Okay. So, anak mo na signal na sugod na ang investiture ceremony. So, ngayon ang troop leader, senior patrol leader, who are with you? So, ang senior patrol leader, mo report. We have new scouts to be candidates to be accepted as a member of the worldwide movement and of the BSP. So, maingon dahil ang senior kuan. Okay? So, may mong iyang nanlag tagsa-tagsa ang mga candidates. Alright? So, maingon ang patrol leader, inyon ang troop leader. Very good. In doing so, remember that you vouch for them to become a scout. So, maingon na siya na, hangtod nga, muabot sa ceremonial or candle lighting ceremony. Okay, unsang ng candle lighting ceremony? Diha. Right? So, the sitting of ingon araw ng orasa, murag alas 5 or dusk, mas meaningful na hapon na kay murag mo kuha na kay mga hayag, no? Okay. Now, so the procedure, the troop leader, ikaw troop leader ka, moingon ka, senior patrol leader, bring the candidates for forward. Senior patrol leader, ikay senior patrol leader, dire.
Bring the candidates forward.
Dili, ako mo, ito-pleader mo ko, ika-speaker. Senior patrol leader, bring the candidates forward. No, hasalot ka. Okay. So, candidates, center, march. Pero ugdo na siya center ay entry na dire. Okay, so linya na dire ang candidates na luyo ang ginikanan. Okay, so mayroon ang troop leader. Scouts, candidates, you have prepared yourself before this troop and asked to be made scouts. Is this your wish now? Yes, sir. Okay. Scout candidates, okay, you have presented yourself before this troop and asked to be made scouts. Is this your wish now?
Yes, sir!
Okay. Tubag dayon ang troop leader. In this ceremony, you will be received into the troop and into the brotherhood of scouting. Before you is a single lighted candle. Magsiga na to, sige. Alright. Before you is a single lighted candle. It represents the spirit of scouting. As you become scouts, you will learn more of the scouting spirit. The law of the troop is the scout law. It is known and followed by millions of scouts, and you will learn to follow this law too. The senior patrol leader will now recite to you the parts of the law. Okay. Pwede sa may o inyong i-revise. Okay? Panangitan ron na ay mga na-invested na mga Boy Scout, mga grade 5 ba, grade 6, no? Kaya kini mga bago, mga kuwanan mga grade 4, mga anak. So, na ay mga old scouts na i-assign. Okay, panalitan, gani ka, magkinanglatag 12 ka scouts. 12 ka scouts. At tumod dito sa loyo sa stage. 12. Dari abi. Nagto ha, silbi mo, nagto. Kilid na po sa.
Wala pa. Dali.
Lagay mo dito, anak. Dapit sa bumbong. Okay? Ready na mo? Okay. Now, kung lang yung kanila dito sa kanila, extra man.
Dito tayo para magkasaksi ko dun sa iyo.
Wala yung kanila dito.
Kara, Junel Marian yan.
Ito pa, dito mo sa likod sa stage niya, utang-satang sa mundo din sa front. Doon ang kanila ng gamiton.
Tawag ang sir, pangapinon ka.
Okay? Isa lang. Gamiton para dagkot. Kanang mga puti ng kanila ko na they are the candles representing the scout sa scout law. Nato sila ngayon. Okay? Ayaw sa amudak ko na sila. 12 ka bata. Okay? Halika. Pataas. Scout is trustworthy. Ina.
Scout is trustworthy.
Kusga?
Scout is trustworthy.
Okay. Yeah, doon na nga siya kanang voice over mo explain. Scout tells the truth. Okay? Ingnaw siya. Scout is trustworthy.
Scout is trustworthy.
Dagko tayo ka. Moiko, Scout is trustworthy. Scout tells the truth. He keeps the promise. Honesty is part of his code of conduct. People can always depend on him. Sunod.
Loyal.
Scout is loyal.
Ato ka nagkot speakers na plain. Scout is loyal. Scout is true to his family, friends, scout leaders, schools, nation, and world community.
Scout is helpful.
Scout is helpful. Scout is concerned about other people. He willingly volunteers to help other people without expecting payment or reward.
Scout is friendly.
Scout is friendly. Scout is friend to all. He is a brother to all scouts.
A scout is courteous.
Scout is courteous. Scout is polite to everyone, regardless of age or position. He knows that good manners make it easier for people to get along together.
Scout is kind.
Scout is kind. Scout understands that there is strength in being gentle.
Scout is obedient.
Scout is obedient. Scout follows the rules of his family and school and the troop. He obeys the laws of his community and country.
Scout is cheerful.
Scout is cheerful. Scout looks for the bright side of life. He cheerfully does his task and come his way. He tries to make others happy.
Scout is thrifty.
Scout is thrifty. Scout works to pay for his way and to help others. He saves for the future. He protects and conserves natural resources.
Scout is brave.
Scout is brave. Scout can face danger even if he is afraid. Even in the face of difficulty, he has the courage to stand for what he thinks right.
Scout is clean.
Scout is clean. Scout keeps his body and mind fit and clean. He goes around with those who believe in having these same ideals.
Scout is reverent.
Scout is reverent. He is reverent towards God. He is faithful in his religious duties and he respects beliefs of others. Okay? So, exit na mo. Okay. Now, moving on ang troop leader. You have heard the 12 poems of the Scout Law. Candidates, do you accept this law as a Scout? And do you promise to do your best to live by this law? Very good. Now, Scouts also live by another code. It is the Scout Oath. The Scout Oath describes the 3 duties of every Scout must accept. Duty to God and country, duty to other people, and duty to self. I want you to make the promise publicly for the first time. Okay? Right. So, naana sa ilaing bata i-assign. Dagutan ang tulog ka kandila.
Junel Marial, Glenn Bertodaso.
I-assign nyo na daan ha, ron andam diri. Why gano'y ang seremonyas?
Memorize mo kamo suot. Memorize mo.
Ayun itong paragot.
On my honor.
Okay. Sige, dakot. Alay dakot sa dako ang kandila.
Usa pa.
Sige. Sige. On my honor, atubang ka nila. On my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God and my country. Dakot ito. Sunod. Sige. On my honor, I'll do my best. Oh, What a magandang country. To help other people at all times. Oh, sige. Nag-court. Sunod. Sige, on my honor, I'll do my best to keep myself physically strong, mentally awake, and morally.
Kuratan sa kunin mo. Bayutan ka mga juga.
Okay. So,
Wala ka nang ibangat to para makikita.
Scout sign. Okay. Now, for the first time, you do publicly your solemn promise. Kinanglan na ang candidate na kami-memorize na kayo tutlukan naman mo sa membership requirement. Okay. Okay, in unison. Doing scout law to help other people at all times, to keep myself. Okay, you have just recited the scout oath. Do you accept the 3 duties that describe, and do you pledge yourself to learn and follow the scout oath? Yes, we do. I have a question, do you, man? Do you accept? Okay. Now, very well. We began almost in the darkness, but now the light of this candle we can see very well, and the light of scouting. So, i-explain na sa ano? Now, candidates, we have also special feelings about the flag of our country. We know what it means, and we learn to take care of it. We love and honor the symbol of the nation it represents. I now ask you to face the flag and recite panunumpa sa katapatan ng watawat sa Pilipinas. Scout sign. Atubang sa Philippine flag. Anak. Sige. Ako, alam, di na kumao. Ako ay Pilipino. Now, we will request the parents to don the neckerchief to their son. Face. Then, biso-biso. Alright? So the parents, because they are the ones sponsoring their son, and they are the ones to help, no? So muna na sila ang mudon sa neckerchief. Okay. So napilit ng lipstick, about face. Dire. Now, maybe the principal o kinsa inyong invited guest or the council ba, na humana naman nag-donut kitchen, kadtong membership card, ihatag na diha nila. Ha? Oh, membership card. Right? Okay. So, now, manawagawat sa one. Alright. Okay. So we will have the pledge. Okay. Scout sign. I state your name. Of troop number of your school. Council. South Education Council. Do hereby pledge to do my best to prepare for service to others. I further pledge to live up to the Scout oath, the Scout law, Scout motto, the slogan of the Boy Scouts, to the best of my knowledge and ability. So help me God. So, kamu tag sa himuan mo certificate of pledge ani kay pirmahan ninyo niya pirma sa top leader inyo na siya. Okay, pag humana na about face of dugata sa masibang pakpak ang atong bagong mga Boy Scout. Salot po, salot. Salot. Ang parents ay na sa loyo. Loyo na sa okay. Silpi na yun. Ito, accept na, accept.